Matt Jasa here, doing a quick episode on cleaning your torch today. I'm inserting the cleaning wire down to the bottom of the propane tubes right now. You want to be careful not to use any excessive force. You could end up damaging the internal ports, the inner workings of it, so try to be gentle and definitely don't jab at it. These holes on the sides of the propane tubes are the oxygen ports. And now they don't go nearly as deep into the torch as the propane tubes, only about a quarter of the way. So this should apply to most surface mix torches, but it would be good to check your manufacturer's instructions just to be safe. For example, these outer tubes are a little bit smaller for the propane, so I have to use a smaller cleaning wire here. And then I'll go back to the big wire for the oxygen ports on the outer stage. And you don't really have to clean these very often. It just kind of depends on how you run your torch and the environment of your studio. But just as long as you're gentle, especially with those cleaning wires, you shouldn't end up damaging anything. And so this might be the first time you've heard what my torch sounds like. Compared to a pre-mixed torch, this sounds like a whisper. And now I'll turn the flame up pretty high and start tapping it with a stick. This will start knocking some of that carbon out that we cleaned up with the wire. And again, make sure to check the cleaning instructions to see if it's safe to jostle it with a stick. But thank you for tuning in on this Fire Friday to learn how to clean your surface mix torch. Make sure to tune in next Monday to check out how to redirect a force.